Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into how to customize task views by department in ClickUp, the complete 2025 guide. This allows you to streamline your workflow, achieve better departmental collaboration, and increase productivity. First up, sign into your ClickUp account and navigate to the Spaces section. This is where you'll create different spaces for each department. Click on the New Space button and name it after a department, for instance, marketing. The reason we do this is to separate tasks and workflows by department, which allows for more focused and efficient work. Now that we've done that, let's establish the task views for the new space. Click on the Space Settings icon and then Add View. From the drop-down menu, select the views relevant to the department, such as List, Board, or Calendar. This customization helps us because it enables each department to visualize and manage tasks in a way that best suits their workflow. Next, let's customize the fields for our tasks. Click on the Custom Fields option under the Space Settings. Here you can add fields pertinent to the department, like campaign name for marketing. This step is important as it ensures all necessary information is captured and displayed for each task, making it easier for team members to understand what's required. Now, it's time to set the permissions for the space. Click on the Permissions tab in Space Settings and set who can see and edit tasks in this space. This helps us because it ensures only relevant department members have access to these tasks, maintaining privacy and minimizing confusion. The final step is to populate your new departmental space with tasks. Click on Add Task and start adding tasks for the department. Remember to assign tasks to the right team members and fill out all the custom fields you've set up. This ensures a smooth workflow with everyone knowing what they need to do. And there you have it. You've now customized task views by department in ClickUp, setting up an efficient and organized system for your team. Remember, the key is to tailor each space to the specific needs and workflows of its department. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next tutorial.